Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we are going to be checking out the top 5 best mirrorless cameras. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I've tried to keep the middle price range so everyone can afford them. I will link all of them down in the description below, so if you want you can go check them out. Also please note that some of these cameras don't come with a lens, so you will have to buy one separately. Okay, so let's start with the list. At number 5 we have the Panasonic LUMIX GX85. The Panasonic LUMIX GX85 is a mid-range mirrorless camera which features a 16 megapixel MFT sensor camera. It can record quality 4K video and the overall performance is impressive, which makes this camera a great choice for both beginners and professionals. It's pretty durable and has great ergonomic design which makes using it much easier. It features a tilting LCD touchscreen monitor so you can see the pictures you take from almost any angle. Overall, it's a very good camera which is not that expensive and gets the job done better than most of the cameras in this price range. So I recommend this to everyone that is looking to buy a new camera at a good price tag. At number 4 we have the Olympus OMD EM1. The Olympus OMD EM1 is a mirrorless camera which got a lot of attention when it came out because it has some features which not many cameras have, and they all come in a portable, lightweight body which is ergonomic and comfortable to hold and carry. It features a 16 megapixel live MOS image sensor with dual fast phase and contrast AF sensor, which allows the camera to have a very fast autofocus speed. This camera has a 3-inch tiltable touchscreen LCD with around 1.03 million dots, and you can take photos from any angle and see them through the screen. The only downside I notice about this camera is that it can't record 4K videos, and if it could do that I would definitely rank it higher in this video, but overall it's still a great camera for everyone. At number 3 we have the Sony Alpha 6300. The Sony Alpha 6300 mirrorless digital camera is another great camera which is a popular choice amongst professional and beginner photographers. It has a 24.2 megapixel APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor which can take very high quality pictures, and it can also record videos with quality of up to 4K and a powerful AF system that's ideal for capturing action. The Sony Alpha 6300 is advertised to have the world's fastest autofocus speed of 0.05 seconds, and the tests made on it by people confirmed it to be around that. The Alpha 6300 has a magnesium alloy body and the layout is identical, so it's pretty suitable for many people. At number 2 we have the Panasonic LUMIX DMC G85MK. The Panasonic LUMIX G85 is a mirrorless camera which has a lot to offer. It features 4K video capture, second generation 5-axis image stabilization, and a 16 megapixel 4/3 sensor with no optical low pass filter. What I like the most about this LUMIX G85 is the power-safe LVF shooting option, which lets you take around 600 to 800 photos depending on sleep mode settings too. This makes it a great choice for people that go for long trips because you won't miss a single shot with it. It's weather sealed, splash proof and dust proof, plus it's rugged enough so you can take it with you anywhere you go without having to worry about the environment. At number 1 we have the Sony A7R II. The Sony A7R II is definitely one of the best mirrorless cameras in the market today, and I would suggest this only to people that are professional or do photography as a job, because it is pretty expensive compared to the other cameras listed on this video. This camera is a 42 megapixel full frame mirrorless camera with 5-axis in-body image stabilization which can also record 4K movies with full pixel readout. It has built-in Wi-Fi which makes it very easy to connect to an iOS or Android smartphone or tablet with the official application. You can transfer photos, control the camera and do many more things directly from the application. It also features a 3-inch LCD screen which can be tilted up and down so you can capture all types of photos. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. You can find links to these mirrorless cameras down in the description below, but yeah, as I mentioned, some of them are without a lens, so you will have to buy one separately. Thank you again for watching, please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you next time.